options in this world, can't pick and choose, yeah. Everybody's life is on display, including you. Yeah, I feel every day is just the same, stuck in a loop. I need some variety, I'm sick of this anxiety, I'm sick of this society. They make us feel a rivalry, compare ourselves to others, but we all got different mothers. We were raised in different structures, so we're different, it's no wonder, yeah. I just want a great life, something where I feel like I just didn't waste time, something I look back and say that was a great time. Cause man, I just hate when the years pass by the wayside, yeah. And I need a little time to find who I am in this life. I will find a way to feel alive. I'm so You better watch out now, I figured something out, what this whole life's about, yeah. It's not the goal, it's the journey, wasted emotion is worry, I'll stop being in a hurry, yeah. I'll just enjoy what I'm doing, keep pushing forward and moving, appreciate the improvement, yeah. I was so stuck on a goal, was losing sight of my soul, need to enjoy getting old, and be so present. I don't know if there's a heaven, but I know I wanna get in. And sometimes I feel a presence, energy in a direction, so I follow intuition. It took me to a musician, now I'm on a different mission, to help others with afflictions. Now I'm not lost inside, I finally have seemed to find who I am in this life, and I found a way to feel alive. I'm not You realize deep way under the surface, and like a fire needs coal in the furnace. This is your goal that makes it all worth it. This is your why that gives you your purpose. Let's go. Thoughts can keep you down, pushing deep until you drown, or they can keep you up strong, focused on the now. Glass half full, or has it been emptied out? Well, that's all up to you and your mind. Do you doubt anything, everything, not a thing? Make my thoughts work for me, manifest what I need, what I want, what I see. I could be anything, I attract all the things that I see. I believe I'll achieve as I breathe in and out again and again. I don't doubt, I sit in a plan and I found out that I can execute. If I'm driven, if I listen, if I learn all the wisdom, read some books, something written, watch the best. Teach a system, I invest, never hidden, I ain't scared. Ain't no chicken, I take dares. I'll be winning, you get back what you're giving. Find the reason that you're living, what you're good at, all your gifts and what you love. Take a risk and find out what you've been missing, yeah. You realize deep way under the surface, and like a fire needs coal in the furnace. This is your goal that makes it all worth it. This is your why that gives you your purpose. You realize deep way under the surface, and like a fire needs coal in the furnace. This is your goal that makes it all worth it. This is your why that gives you your purpose. Purpose is better than any drug you could ever think. If you know why you're doing something, that's out there somewhere, I swear I can find the recipe. By testing, learning, and turning into a better me. Real lies deep way under the surface, and like a fire needs coal in the furnace. This is your goal that makes it all worth it. This is your why that gives you your purpose. Real lies deep way under the surface, and like a fire needs coal in the furnace. This is your goal that makes it all worth it. This is your why that gives you your purpose.
Alam na mo? Good morning. Yan, good morning. So this na namin ngayon dito. Kasama ko yung mga kapatid ko. Ayan. Hanggang hapon kami dito ngayon. Woo. Sarap ng ano? Sarap ng nasa tabi ng dagat, no? Sarap na pag walang trabaho. Yan o. Kalat-kalat pa ng aming kalat-kalat ng aming tingnan nyo naman yung anong lugar namin. Ang kalat-kalat o. Yan o. Oh. Diba? Fresh na fresh yung mga kapatid ko dalawa. Asawa ko. Tingnan nyo naman. Oh. Oh, galing. Yan. Tayo natin to. Oh. Oh. Okay.
Isin lang na dia.
What's going on, honey?
Haling-haling. Gaman na gabi eh.
Yo.
Pila na din.
Yan, good morning. Second day na namin dito ngayon sa Mikin. Kasama ko yung mga kapatid ko. Yung iba, umuwi na sa kanilang mga bahay pero mamaya daw mabalik sila. Continue pa rin yung banding namin. Continue pa rin yung gagawa kami ng mga memories, no? Sarap kaya. Ayan, ito pa rin kami. Yan, shortcut tayo dito, no? Shortcut. Yeah. Pagkatarik ng daan. Oh, yan o. Fresh na fresh yung mga ano.
Pagtarungan ba?
Yun o. 2 days na kami dito sa Mikin. Maraming salamat. Pauwi na kami. Siyempre maraming salamat sa mga kapatid namin dito. Gagawa din kami ng memory ngayong taon na to, 2024 Golden Week. Alright. Sana sa August na naman muli ang aming pagkikita. Kaya maraming salamat sa inyong lahat mga bro and sis. Hanggang sa muli. Peace.